In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Yahoo Mail account. If you're ready to permanently close your Yahoo account, I'll walk you through the exact path in a clear and careful way and share a few tips so you know what to expect before and after you confirm the deletion. First, sign into your Yahoo account and head to your account overview. This is the central place where Yahoo groups your profile, security, and data options. If you're already in Yahoo Mail, you can usually reach the overview by selecting your profile or account name and opening the account settings page. Take a moment to make sure you're signed into the exact account you want to remove. From the overview, look for privacy controls. It's typically located in the middle section of the page, and it may appear alongside other data and personalization options. Click it to open Yahoo's privacy dashboard. This area is where Yahoo manages data choices, personalization, and the option to close your account. Once the privacy dashboard loads, scroll to the bottom and find the option labeled Delete Your Yahoo Account. Click it. Yahoo will present details about what deleting your account means. This is important. Deleting your account removes access to Yahoo Mail and may also affect other Yahoo services tied to the same login, such as contacts, calendar entries, and any associated content. Consider downloading anything you may need and cancelling any active subscriptions linked to this account before you proceed. When you're sure you want to continue, select Continue Delete My Account. Yahoo may show warnings or ask you to confirm that you understand the consequences. Follow the on-screen prompts and confirm your choice. In some cases, you might be asked to verify your identity again for security, which is normal. After you confirm, the account deactivation process begins. Yahoo indicates that deletion is permanent after a waiting period, which can vary by region. During that time, the account is scheduled for removal, and once deleted, you won't be able to recover emails or reuse the same Yahoo ID. If you use this account on other devices or apps, expect sign-ins to stop working as the deactivation takes effect. That's the full process. Open your account overview, go to Privacy Controls, choose Delete Your Yahoo Account at the bottom of the privacy dashboard, and then click Continue Delete My Account to confirm. Take a final moment to double-check you've saved anything important, and you'll be all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently close your Yahoo Mail account.